Hi friends, welcome to my blog video. This video I will show you my field. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.
Hi guys, here you can see the old tree of my garden, which video I upload some previous day ago. Here is the hybrid guava tree. The guava grow up again. Here you can see all the guavas in the branch of guavas. Here you can see that all of the tree are now green. In this video, I will show you my whole green garden. So please like, comment and share this video for helping other people to research our garden. This is vegetable tree. You can see that brinjal, the small brinjal, it grow up after 2 or 3 weeks. We don't need to give water in our trees because this is rainy season in our country, so that's why automatically raining and water given from nature. Here is the sky. Okay, let's see our chili pepper tree. Here you can see that the small pepper at the side, the pepper are growing, and here the flower came in each time. This is another pepper. This is red pepper, and this is the flower of red pepper. This is purple color, but why I don't know. The pepper are red. This is the mango tree. You can see that, and many other tree in my garden inside. Please like, comment, share and support. All the tree are green now. This season the all dry leaf are automatically in my hand. You can see that the tree are with what is the call this vegetable, I don't know, but it tastes like lady's finger. Very delicious food and vegetable. You can eat this vegetable with cooking or without cooking. If you want to eat like fruits, you can eat it. You can see that inside many of vegetable here. some of tree are in water because in our country are floating by flood. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please support me for another vlog. Subscribe channel for grow up. Thank you everyone.